In this initiative, we will cover about up to 1,000 patients we expect to cover to do the reconstructive surgery free of cost. That means we will be charging 1 rupee for this as a part of our campaign, and this is something which will go over the next 6 months or so. We hope to complete in over at least 12 locations in Hyderabad and the suburbs, Greater Hyderabad. So we are starting with Kukatpalli. Next we are going to the industrial belt of Kukatpalli, that is from GD Metla down to Ramchandrapuram. After that we will be going to LB Nagar, then to Mehdipatnam, then to Old City. Like that we'll be spreading out from area to area, mainly focused where the slum dwellers are, where the disadvantaged sections are. That is our major focus. In fact, in India, the estimates given by World Bank is based on average estimates of 6% of any population as totally disabled, and 50% of that is physically disabled. And developed countries, that number is even higher. In the US, it is 9%. In Australia, it is between 11 to 12%. That means they are able to identify clearly the physically disabled and treat them. So, as our awareness improves, in fact the numbers will increase. So, that is how it works. We will certainly be looking forward to doing a camp in Nalgonda, because most of the disability there is related to fluorosis, and a lot of emphasis has gone into prevention of fluorosis. Government has carried out a very good program, and I'm sure they will now improve upon that program. And we from our side, definitely we will be part of that campaign. We will try to help out with the surgery for those who are affected, and that is definitely part of our mandate. The surgery cost can vary a lot. So what we have put 3 rough brackets. One is a major surgery. That means, let us say somebody with a cleft lip or a cleft palate, something which lasts up to 2 hours, we will call a standard surgery, where the cost can be around 20 to 25,000 rupees. But we are asking donors to pay only for materials, about 5,000 rupees. And similarly, the next category is major. Major surgeries can go up to 4 hours, and they obviously lot of anesthesia, materials, labor costs go into that, maintenance, and for that we estimate that the cost can be between 40 to 50. But we are asking again for donations, we are asking like 10,000, maximum 12,000 for that kind of surgery. The third category is super major surgery, where the surgery is beyond 4 hours. It can be much longer. So in those cases, costs are very high. For an institution like ours, the cost can go between 82,000 to 1 lakh. But for the same material cost, we expect will lie within 25,000 rupees. So all told, if we say about 1,000 surgeries and we categorize 40% as standard, 40% as major, and another, let us say 20% as super major, roughly the cost for materials will come to around, on an average, 10,000 rupees per surgery. But most surgeries we are planning to see actually exactly whatever is the cost of material is what we will expect our donor to bear. And that should be, that is our goal. So let us try to do as much as possible in the most cost efficient way, so that more and more people get benefited, those who have never had the opportunity before. This particular campaign we hope we will complete in about 6 months' time.